Fifth Helliquinn here, and we have a new friend.
Hi! I'm Rain. Nice to meet you all.
And that's my lazy kitty.
This is my little pet. Her name is Foxy.
Aww. Oh, I did you all a little favor. I named one of my clowns Wacko. Apparently I was insane, so this is Wacko right here. I kinda ripped his head off, so you're welcome. Now he's a headless clown, and some of his stuffing came out. He deserved it. Anyway, you like my makeup? And you like... Don't mind her, that's actually a real fox. That's not makeup, that's actually a furry, right there. This is makeup. Like my teeth?
I finally got a new color on it.
I know my teeth are kind of smooth, but... I had this on for a long time. Aww.
At least my fox likes me.
Oh, that's so cute. Stop it. Anyway, I just want to let you know that we love you guys and
We love you.
aww. That's my tiger Tiggy. It just rammed its head in front. Also, in the late future, we're gonna do this remake of How Animals Eat Their Food. The Animal Eat the Food original is by M.E.M. I think.
M.E.M.
Man Entertainment something, I don't know. But it's funny. We just want to give some shout outs to Jack and Jill from and Willow Helliquinn. We love you and we wish you a happy Mother's Day, even though it's not Mother's Day, it's a late Mother's Day. And I
We
hope
make a lot of late Mother's Day things. Every day is Mother's Day.
Yep, and I hope Willow that you've seen them, cause you really mean a lot to us. Cause who wouldn't be a Helliquinn who started this all? I mean, the mother itself made Jack Helliquinn obviously, but like made this whole Helliquinn thing started, and Jack made the group possible for us to be Helliquinns in the Helliquinn family.
Jack, happy early Father's Day.
Yep. Same,
Luna would say it too, but she's not here.
yeah.
She's getting repaired.
Yeah, apparently something bad happened to her. And I'm really ticked off!
Scully got hurt.
Scully? I knew he was...
He works for Wacko.
Oh. But Viper is good now. So maybe,
Scully is the one who has two people.
Oh.
And Death.
Oh, yeah.
Death is the original one who caught her.
Yeah,
She was trying to protect the family when no one was there.
yeah, and that's why Viper didn't mean any harm. She just... I don't know. But she apologized, and Viper apologized, and hopefully... Viper is more of a vampire clown than a doll clown. I'm more of a doll / clown, but like have a doll figure. but not as much as Luna has, because she has like this lipstick.
Oh, by the way, there's a new one who's entering.
Laughing Jill. Laughing Jill.
Oh, 3.
Oh, Laughing Jill's
Laughing Jill, a different Laughing Jack who isn't from the group Creepypasta, and another one who is fully doll but is a ballerina.
I heard about that recently too.
Her name is Mezzaluna. Is that right? Mezzaluna Death.
Yeah. And you probably already know that I'm supposed to be in the dungeon. Yeah, that's for my character. We're not making a movie right now. Practically, I'm a, what do you call those people that, what's it called? Like, you transport yourself, but you're not really there. Dang it.
Projection?
Yeah, but I need to know the name of it. Like,
Projection?
I think that's what it's called. There's another name for it though. Like hologram.
Hologram.
Hologram. This is a hologram with me, even though I don't look like it. Faith Helliquinn can make clones. Whoa, the text is stuck in there, isn't it? Oops, my bad. Well, I had to do something when when I'm still in the dungeon. I have it. She did it. She was practicing. Well, my real self was practicing.
Sorry, kitty.
I'm sorry, baby. Was practicing taking out his eyeballs. Sorry, baby. She didn't mean it. So yeah. I'm gonna give this camera back to her.
Nope. I'm sorry, kitty.
She didn't mean it. I love you. Can you say I love you? Okay.
Here you go.
Oh no. Okay, put paint. Ah! You're wearing my mask. Wow. That actually looks good on you. Yeah, it smells weird in there, don't ask. It's starting to look like my old mask. Although my old mask was white, that's like peach colored. Careful. Beating up my face.
And in the camera.
Like, so you don't want to see him?
It landed on my head.
Babies. Thank you. So anyway, we just wanted to, thank you guys. Thank you, Pie. Lol. Anyway, so yeah. So
Yay!
I hope you enjoyed that video. This video. This is on Luna's tablet, so it'll be on her channel. And Facebook, hopefully. So like, comment, subscribe to her channel. Also check out mine to see some awesome videos too. They're not really that good, but like I do tributes sometimes. She does lots of tributes. But definitely subscribe to her channel.
My fox went on my head.
I don't know why I was pointing down here while saying that, but but yeah, subscribe to her channel as well as mine if you want. And if Luna was here, she'll say all that jazz.
Because she's from Britain.
And she knows Pink Stylist, who also says that.
Basically, Pink Stylist helped her with her face because he's the one who created her.
Inspired her.
And her dad is a really bad guy who turned her into the doll in the first place. And Pink Stylist is the one who repairs her.
Oh. That was the stuff from Macro. I was gonna paint it red. Forgot some stuff. But oh god. That instinct. You're eating his stuffing. Whoa. Wow, you just threw Raggo's stuffing at me. It's full of wet stuff. Oh, that's you. Its head. Don't throw it over there though. Anyway, this has been a 12-minute video, so we're gonna go now. But
don't worry, we're going to make a second part.
Yep. Soon. I just got a drink. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe.
And have a lot of fun!
Yep. And
don't forget to save all of the animals who are on the endangered species list, even the wolves.
Yep.
And the foxes.
Yep. And the red, well, not the red, well, it's red pandas.
All pandas are endangered.
Oh, because the new ones came. And, well, anyway, have sweet nightmares, everybody, and we'll see you later. Bye. Say bye.
Bye!
It was cute.